Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. RPA Use Case, banks and financial institutions. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of robotic process automation, RPA, is the software's high level of versatility. Businesses can employ the technology in most areas where humans interact with computers. As industries make strides towards efficiency, RPA use cases grow in volume and diversity. Banks and financial institutions. Finance was one of the best industries to explore robotic process automation use cases. The sector uses lots of high-volume tasks that require speed and accuracy. What's more, it's awash with legacy software and has to deal with strict regulatory oversights. RPA is tailor-made for each of these scenarios. Banks and financial institutions have embraced a variety of applications of RPA. Some of these use cases have helped solve long-standing problems, while others have addressed emerging issues, particularly regulatory and compliance regulations. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.